Starlink is reporting hardware self-test. What to do? If you're running the Speedify app, Speedify will notify you when your Starlink is performing a hardware self-test. Speedify constantly monitors your Starlink internet connections for problems and alerts you when there's an issue. If Speedify says hardware self-test next to your Starlink, that means the Starlink has shut itself down and is running a series of tests to make sure it works properly. This usually happens after a software update, and in general, there's nothing you need to do. Just wait a couple minutes for it to finish the test and it should come back online. If it doesn't, try rebooting it, and if that doesn't help, I'm afraid you're gonna have to call Starlink support. But usually you can just wait a few minutes and it clears itself up. Now, Speedify does all kinds of cool tricks like connection bonding to improve the performance of your Starlink. If you're using Starlink without Speedify, you probably want to head over to speedify.com and get it installed so that you get alerted when there's an issue. If you're interested in more content about how to get the best out of your Starlink, download Speedify today and subscribe for more.